All right, folks, I want a good solid road in here. So what I'm doing is I already masked this part off to create me a road. So for that, I went ahead and put it 4.5 inches wide so you can see. I'm trying to keep it as realistic as I can, which is very hard to do, right? So you have a flow of traffic going that way and the flow of traffic coming in like so. And it's kind of close. Maybe it could have went a little bit wider, but for the depth I'm dealing with, I'm happy with this, okay? It does what I want it to do. So I got this run here. That again, that's gonna be our main road. And I'm gonna come off later with parking lots for Taco Bell, McDonald's, and a heavy equipment building here, Caterpillar or whatever, right here, okay? But again, we need a main road coming into here to go ahead and give that illusion. So I got this masked off, and now I'm gonna pour roads like I've always poured roads, okay? I put that much plaster, and we're gonna add our water. I don't wanna make a mess to get it all over my tracks because I don't like to mask things, as you can tell. So let me think how I'm gonna pour it. I think I'm gonna start like this, going back, right? Yeah, I think. Got thick right there, Roman. There's no way around it, just pull it. No way around it. Okay, remove these buildings and keep on going. Stay out of it, David. Stay out of it. Whoa. Right. Coming outside. Leave it. Leave it. Alright, I'm done with this for now. I'm gonna leave it and come back later. Okay, I think it's ready to be pulled, so I'm gonna give you a view of what it looks like. Not bad. Leveled out really nice. Got a couple of little divots, as you can see, but it doesn't matter. It's a freaking road, right? So, yep, there you go. So now let's go ahead and pull this thing up. Pull it up slowly. Yeah, I need to wait up a little while longer. So let me give it a little while longer and I'm gonna pull this up, okay? Quit rushing it, David. Quit rushing it. Yeah. Ooh. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No. All right. I give up. Let's let this dry. Okay. Let's see what we got now. Fingers crossed, eh? It's still a little damp. This is about an hour after I tried. Oh, okay. There we go. I want to pull it away from the road. I just couldn't help it. I wanted to get this done. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Roads aren't perfect. Roads are jagged, potholey, cracks. So there you go. That's that double-sided tape you get from the Dollar Tree. It's probably about an 1/8 inch thick. Works really good for this. I never was a big believer in building my roads with wood. You know, I kind of wanted to do it like this, and it gives it more realism. It's just a flat piece of whatever you're using besides pouring it, you know. That's just my opinion. That's why I pour roads the way I pour them. So there we go. I got to touch up around this road with paint. Maybe come wipe a little bit more like this. Once I paint this, you won't even know, because the cleanup is going to be nice with the paint. Awesome. I'm proud of this road. It came out nice. Now we have to let this dry for about 3 or 4 days. All right, put my track back. See about where it's gonna fall. Come with our Taco Bell, something like this. Leave enough room for your car to go back here. McDonald's, same thing. And our main Caterpillar building here. Clean stop. That looks pretty good. Whew, it needs to be cleaned up. All this needs to be painted. See all this? I gotta paint all this. But I can't do anything until I get my concrete poured for my restaurants, my curbs and everything else. So more coming up, guys. There you have it. Simple roads. Please like and subscribe if this helped you. And we're going to get on to doing more between the next week or two. See you later, guys.